Herbishh Insta Shampoo Hair Color. It's super quick and convenient.
It's for women and men. There's no ammonia and no pungent smell like other color hair dyes, while giving 100% gray coverage for your hair.
And it's advised that you do a patch test before you use this product. Key ingredients and the benefits: herbal mushroom, which slows premature hair loss and balding.
Argan oil prevents dryness and helps reduce fizziness and boosts shine.
Ginseng, a herbal plant that helps both the roots and lengths of the hair and stops dandruff in its tracks and prevents hair loss.
Faux tea extract stimulates hair growth and brings back the natural color.
Noni, it strengthens the hair follicles and promotes healthy hair texture and color tones.
Olive oil, it kicks dandruff out and helps your hair grow stronger.
Keratin, this color shampoo also has keratin. The Herbishh shampoo is super easy and convenient to use, and I'll show you how. The first thing you do is you put the gloves on before applying the hair color. Diddy! Apply the hair color shampoo on the dry hair until the shampoo is spread evenly on the hair. You then keep the shampoo for 10 to 15 minutes. If you want it to go a little bit darker, or if you've got stubborn grey white hair, keep it on for 20 to 25 minutes. Then you rinse the hair with water, and then you blow dry it. Just use the color shampoo every 10 to 15 days, once to twice a month, or when the grey roots start to grow back. You should also do a patch test. I did a little patch test back here. Looks fantastic, looks normal. Here we go. Gloves on, take the little cap off, little tube, then just squirt some into your hand and put it on your hair. Woohoo! Here we go. As you can see, squirting into the hand. We get both forms. Mix that together in your hand and then rub it into the hair. Getting right into the base roots. Brush it through. Once it's all in, make sure that you set the timer for the 10 to 15 minutes. Awesome. I look younger, simple and easy to do. Yeah!
I love my new hair color. It was professional and super quick and easy to do.
Absolutely love it. It's easy and convenient to use. It contains around 10 applications, so it's very affordable as compared to other traditional hair colorings available in the market. And you just buy one bottle and then just relax for the next few months. And you got to match your existing hair color. For example, if you have black hair, then you need to choose the black color shampoo. Light brown or other lighter color will not actually give a desired lighter color result with your hair, as the color shampoo is a mild formula and doesn't have any bleaching agent which can help lighten your hair tone. Shipping time and customer service is exceptional. Always good to know. And it's plant-based, so no damage, and gives healthy and shiny hair.